Philosophy is the study of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind, and language. It involves critical thinking and systematic analysis of concepts and beliefs, often questioning assumptions that are taken for granted. Philosophy is divided into various branches, each exploring different aspects of human thought and experience. Philosophy, derived from the Greek word philosophia, meaning love of wisdom, is the discipline that seeks to understand fundamental truths about the world, the self, and the relationships between them. Unlike empirical sciences, which rely on observation and experimentation, philosophy uses critical analysis, logical reasoning, and systematic reflection to address questions that may not be accessible through empirical means. Philosophy's origins trace back to ancient civilizations, particularly in Greece, India, and China. In Greece, philosophers like Thales and Pythagoras initiated the shift from mythological explanations of the world to rational inquiry. In India, the Upanishads and the teachings of Buddha explored metaphysical questions about existence and the self. In China, Confucius and Laozi delved into moral and social philosophy. Branches of philosophy. Metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of reality and existence. It asks fundamental questions such as what is there and what is the nature of being. Metaphysical inquiry often involves the exploration of concepts like substance, time, space, causality, and possibility. Epistemology is the study of knowledge, belief, and the nature of truth. It addresses questions like what is knowledge? How do we know what we know? And what justifies our beliefs? Epistemology examines the sources and limits of human knowledge. Ethics, or moral philosophy, is the branch concerned with moral values and principles. It explores questions of right and wrong, good and evil, and what it means to live a virtuous life. Logic is the study of reasoning and argumentation. It involves analyzing the structure of arguments to determine their validity and soundness. Aesthetics is the branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of beauty, art, and taste. It explores the creation and appreciation of art and the criteria for judging artistic value. Political philosophy examines the nature of government, justice, rights, and the role of individuals in society. History of philosophy. Ancient philosophy began with the pre-Socratic thinkers in Greece, who sought natural explanations for the world around them. Figures like Thales, Anaximander, and Heraclitus explored concepts such as the underlying substance of the universe and the nature of change. The classical period of Greek philosophy is marked by the contributions of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Socrates is known for his method of dialectical questioning, aimed at uncovering truth and challenging assumptions. Plato, his student, developed a theory of forms, which posits that the material world is a shadow of a higher, unchanging reality. Aristotle, in turn, focused on empirical observation and the classification of knowledge, laying the groundwork for many scientific disciplines. Medieval philosophy was heavily influenced by religious thought, particularly Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. Key figures like Augustine and Thomas Aquinas sought to reconcile faith with reason. Augustine's work, such as Confessions and The City of God, explored the relationship between the divine and human will, while Aquinas' Summa Theologica synthesized Aristotelian philosophy with Christian theology. The modern era of philosophy began with René Descartes, who is often called the father of modern philosophy. Descartes' famous dictum, cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, exemplifies his method of doubt and the search for indubitable knowledge. His work laid the foundation for rationalism. Empiricism, another key movement in modern philosophy, was championed by philosophers like John Locke, George Berkeley, and David Hume. Empiricists argued that all knowledge comes from sensory experience. Immanuel Kant, a central figure in modern philosophy, sought to bridge the gap between rationalism and empiricism. In his Critique of Pure Reason, Kant argued that while our knowledge begins with experience, the mind actively shapes that experience. Contemporary philosophy is characterized by a diverse range of approaches and schools of thought. Two major traditions dominate this period: analytic philosophy and continental philosophy. Analytic philosophy, primarily associated with the English-speaking world, emphasizes clarity, logical rigor, and the analysis of language. Key figures include Bertrand Russell, Ludwig Wittgenstein, and W.V.O. Quine. Continental philosophy, originating in Europe, encompasses a wide range of approaches, including existentialism, phenomenology, structuralism, and postmodernism. Figures like Martin Heidegger, Jean-Paul Sartre, and Michel Foucault have explored themes such as human existence, power structures, and the nature of meaning. Postmodernism, a movement within continental philosophy, challenges the idea of objective truth and universal narratives. Thinkers like Foucault and Derrida argue that knowledge is socially constructed. Key philosophical concepts. Ontology, a subfield of metaphysics, is concerned with the nature of being and existence. Philosophers have debated whether there is a fundamental substance or principle underlying all things, or whether reality is composed of multiple distinct entities. Epistemological debates often revolve around the nature of knowledge and whether we can achieve certainty. Skepticism challenges the possibility of certain knowledge, while foundationalism seeks to establish a secure basis for knowledge. Moral philosophy addresses questions of right and wrong, exploring the basis for ethical judgments. The problem of free will is central to many ethical discussions, as it raises questions about moral responsibility. Philosophers have proposed various theories of truth, including correspondence theory, coherence theory, and pragmatic theory. The nature of meaning is also a central concern, particularly in the philosophy of language. The mind-body problem is a central issue in the philosophy of mind, exploring the relationship between mental states and physical processes. The nature of consciousness is another key concern, with debates about whether consciousness can be fully explained by neuroscience or whether it requires a non-physical explanation. Philosophical methodologies. The Socratic method involves asking a series of probing questions to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate underlying assumption. Phenomenology, developed by Edmund Husserl and later expanded by Heidegger and Sartre, focuses on the structures of consciousness and the ways in which we experience the world. Hermeneutics is the study of interpretation, particularly of texts and language. Originally developed in the context of biblical interpretation, hermeneutics has been expanded by philosophers like Gadamer and Ricoeur. Dialectics, associated with figures like Hegel and Marx, is a method of reasoning that involves the resolution of contradictions through synthesis. Philosophy's influence on other disciplines. Philosophy has played a crucial role in the development of science, particularly through the formulation of scientific methods and the exploration of foundational questions. Political philosophy has shaped the development of political institutions and ideas. The social contract theories of Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau influenced the development of modern democracies, while Marx's critique of capitalism inspired revolutionary movements. Aesthetic philosophy has influenced artistic movements and the way we interpret art and literature. Theories of beauty, the sublime, and the role of the artist have shaped the development of various artistic traditions. Challenges and criticisms of philosophy. Philosophy is often criticized for being abstract and disconnected from practical concerns. Some argue that philosophical debates are too esoteric to have any real-world impact. The relationship between philosophy and science has been a subject of debate, particularly with the rise of empirical science in the modern era. Relativism, the idea that truth and morality are relative to individual or cultural perspectives, poses a challenge to traditional philosophical notions of objective truth and universal ethics. Despite the challenges and criticisms it faces, philosophy remains a vital and relevant discipline. It continues to explore fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, and values, offering insights that enrich our understanding of the world and our place in it. As we navigate an increasingly complex and interconnected world, philosophy provides tools for critical thinking, ethical reasoning, and the development of a coherent and reflective worldview. Philosophy's enduring appeal lies in its ability to provoke thought, challenge assumptions, and inspire the pursuit of wisdom. As long as humans continue to wonder about the nature of reality, the meaning of life, and the principles that should guide our actions, philosophy will remain a central part of the human experience. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of philosophy. If you enjoyed this exploration of life's big questions, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when new videos are out. There's so much more to explore together. Until next time, keep questioning, keep thinking, and I'll see you in the next video.